everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. How has everyone been? I feel like I've just fallen off the face of the earth, if I'm honest. Obviously if you follow me over on TikTok or Instagram, then you probably get to see like a little bit more about what goes on in my life. I am now 7 months pregnant, which is wild. I'm in my 3rd trimester, which is actually crazy to me. Here is baby boy in all his glory, but I just thought I'd jump on and show you one of my newest additions to the family. So I've actually got 2 unboxings. I'm obviously going to do them in separate videos, but the first one I'll start with is just sitting next to me, and of course it's from my favourite brands to go with, which is Louis Vuitton. And as you guys are well aware, I love Coe bags. Of course, if I'm doing an unboxing, it's going to be from Coe bags until the day that I really splurge out and treat myself to something special that I've had my eye on for a while. It's going to be gifted from my absolute favourites at Coe bags. So, inside here, I have got a new pair of summer sliders, which I'm really excited about because I had some before. I had the like classic LV print pillow sliders, but I actually got them in my normal size, which was a size 5, and they did run small. So if anybody is looking to grab these sliders, I would say size up. You will not regret it because I actually sized up in these ones and they fit me perfectly. So definitely size up, I would say. No. Oh, it wasn't on auto. I've just quickly changed my lighting settings. Right. I'm quite a nice girlfriend actually. So, inside the box, you do get all of your packaging. You get the kind of like padded material, I don't know what you would call that. Your paper. Obviously I've already opened all of this because I was too excited. And then each shoe comes individually wrapped in its own little dust bag. So you've got 2 little dust bags, and then you've of course got like the little cards leaflet that always comes with it, just to make it seem nice and real. The only thing I will say about this one is it didn't come with a gift bag, and most times they come with a gift bag, but I don't really feel like it's necessary. It just gets, I've never used it, do you know what I mean? It's just always got thrown away, to be honest. So these are the sliders that I went for. Also, look at the attention to detail on the bags as well. They've obviously all got the blue drawstring as well. These are so handy, even just to keep stuff in, like when you're travelling on holiday and stuff like that. Jewellery, sunglasses, accessories, stuff like that. So these are the sandals that I went for. I'm absolutely obsessed. So they are like the pillow kind of style. I actually thought that these were, it's really hard to focus, I actually thought that these were like a denim kind of feel, but they're, I don't know how to describe them. They are, no, they are, it is like a denim effect, but it's more pillowy. But it's nice, like chunky sole. You've got the logo, if it wants to focus, on the side there. I did size up in these, so I actually got a size 6 even though I am a size 5, because I do find that they run small. I think that is just a thing with replica shoes, because my last sandals that they gifted me, I got a 5 and they were too small, like I said. So I just was, to be on the safe side, I sized up. Really gorgeous. You've got the LV detailing on the back as well, which is stunning. Yeah, I'm so excited. I've got this colour because they're like a nudie, beigey, olivey, kind of khaki colour, but I feel like, God, the focus on my camera is actually awful, but I feel like these are going to go with a lot. You could wear these with pretty much like white, black, blue. You can wear them with like every colour, I'd say. And I've got a lot of like beigey bags that I feel like these will go with. It will still go with my like other little mini bag as well. So yeah, these are the sandals. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. We just need to get some nice warm weather now because the UK has really been suffering. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with these. Love them so much. I will leave them all links down below, guys. And you know that I honestly do not rave about, well, I don't get my, if I'm getting anything replica, then it is always from Coombes bags. They're honestly unreal. The service is so good as well. They've got such a wide selection on their website of different things that you can get. But if there's something that you want that you've seen on like a website, you can literally just send it to them on WhatsApp and they will source it, or they'll like make it. I don't even know how they do it. I don't know what they do or how they do it, but they always will come back to you with a yes, which is amazing. So it's like you could see something somewhere and they'll be able to get it for you basically. And the service is always good. They're super friendly. You can chat to them on WhatsApp, you can order on the website. I do actually have a discount code which is Amy13 I believe, and it gets you 13% off. I know quite a lot of you guys actually do use that, so definitely use it to your advantage guys, because it does, like, it adds up. Like these, I would say these aren't like the cheapest replicas that I've ever seen. However, when you're comparing it to the actual price of the actual item, you do save a lot of money. But then again, if you want to, like, if you're using a code and saving yourself even more money on top of that, then I feel like it just justifies it that little bit more as well, because I feel like you're paying for what you get. Like they're to a point where you wouldn't know that it's not real, if you know what I mean. Like I've never ever had anyone question like the bags that they've sent me or the shoes. It's not until I say it's not real and they're like, shut up, where did you get it from? And I'm like, guys, it's Coombes bags. But yeah, they're my brand new sliders. I'm so excited to start styling those and getting some wear out of them now that I have shown you guys. But yeah, I will leave all of the details down below. If you did enjoy this video, then please do make sure you are following, subscribing, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much to Coombes bags as well for kindly gifting me these items. I love you guys so much. I love working with you, and I'm so excited for just a really happy ongoing relationship with you guys, because I actually adore your stuff. Obviously, who the hell wouldn't? But yeah, thank you so much for kindly gifting me, I'm getting too excited, I can't even talk. Thank you so much for kindly gifting me these gorgeous sandals, and I can't wait to style them. So if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, definitely do, because you'll see how I'll style them in some outfits as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.